Hi, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to try 3 different summer salad recipes, and the ingredients list for these dishes are given in the description box below. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. Let's start with the first salad, which is watermelon salad. For that, I've got watermelon which I've cubed and kept ready. In here, I've got pickled onion. So what I've done is I've sliced the onions into thin strips and then marinated it in some vinegar, salt and sugar. I kept it in the refrigerator for around 2 to 3 hours and it's ready. In here I've got salt, some pepper, mint leaves, some lemon zest and some lemon wedges. We'll also need some oil to make this salad. So let's assemble it. So into a bowl I've taken the lime juice. Into this we'll add some oil. You can use any flavored oil of your choice. Then into it goes the lemon zest, sufficient salt and pepper. Now we'll add a few slices of the onion. Look at the beautiful color. Now let's mix everything together. Add the watermelon and into it goes mint leaves. Mix everything together and check for seasoning. You can also add some crumbled paneer into this to make it a little more interesting. The watermelon salad is ready. Let's put this aside and start with the next one. So let's move on to the next salad, which is a chickpea salad. For that I've got white chana, which I've already soaked overnight and boiled and kept ready. In here I've got hung curd. To make the hung curd, you just take a little bit of curd in a muslin cloth, tie a knot and then leave it to sit on a sieve for 2-3 hours until all the water in the curd gets collected in a vessel. Then just keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour until it thickens and becomes like this. So I've got the hung curd in here. I've got lemon or lime and some dill leaves which I've chopped and kept ready. I've also got salt and pepper and we'll need some oil. So let's start making the dish. So into the hung curd we're going to squeeze the lemon juice and mix it well. Into that we'll add salt to taste, some black pepper, mix everything together. Now we'll add in the dill leaves which I've chopped and kept ready. Mix that as well and check for seasoning. Now we'll add oil to this. You can use olive oil or normal vegetable oil. Mix that in as well. Now in goes the chickpeas. If you wish to, you can add some cucumber which you have diced into this, some tomato as well to make it a little more wholesome. Everything's mixed together and the chickpea salad is ready to be served. So let's move on to the last salad. This is the simplest one, the Indian version called kachumbar. For this I've got finely diced onion, tomato and cucumber. I've used English cucumber because it's softer than the Indian cucumber. You can use any cucumber that you like. I've got lemon wedge, salt, pepper and we'll also need some oil to use in this dish. So let's begin. So in a bowl I've taken lime juice. Into that I'm going to pour coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. If you like the flavor of coconut oil, I'd suggest you use coconut oil in this dish because it gives a very nutty flavor to the kachumbar. If you don't like the flavor, you can use normal oil. So I've added the oil into the lime juice. Now let's add the salt to taste, and the black pepper. Let's mix all of this together. And once the oil and the lime juice is mixed together, we'll add in the veggies. That's the cucumber, tomato and onion. You can also add carrot if you want. And instead of black pepper, you can add some green chilies as well. Mix everything together in the salad dressing. And the kachumber is ready. So I hope you like the recipes I have shown in this video. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with some new recipes. Until then, bye bye.